What should be the design of a classic kitchen? No matter how much progress has moved forward, people choose a kitchen design in a classic style, relegating minimalism and modernity to the background. The use of this technique is inherent in conservatives or homeowners who value comfort, coziness, and the preservation of family values. Using strict techniques, you can transform a room of different sizes using the current color scheme. Housing in the classical style, antique, is distinguished by its clarity and rigor of lines. Calm, diluted shades, high-quality natural materials prevail here. Designers advise to review several films about the period of the 17th-18th centuries to get acquainted with the exemplary style. The key accompanying term of antiquity is the word antiquat, luxury antiquat. The embodiment of luxury in the environment is possible with the presence of such details: voluminous mirrors in metal frames, columns, a fireplace, and dense textiles made from natural materials. Finesse traditional apartments give decorative items, antiques, bronze and marble figurines, paintings on the walls. Even an amateur in the field of design will understand that the house is equipped according to the principles of antiquity, if it has stucco ceilings, dense decoration on the walls, and furniture made of natural wood generously decorated with carved elements. Regardless of the area of the room being designed, the interior of the classic kitchen is based on the following principles. Use of natural materials for surface finishing. Clearness and geometric lines, symmetry in furniture. A minimum of decor, its use is relevant only for a useful purpose. An abundance of textiles, on windows, upholstered furniture, sometimes even on the walls a fabric pattern can be pasted. In the modern interpretation, traditionalism does not exclude the play of contrasts, but with the condition, do not use bright, flashy shades to decorate the decor. Homeowners who are planning to remodel the room in strict outlines should remember, the design of a classic kitchen does not allow for cheapness and savings on materials. Before proceeding with the alteration, you need to assess your financial capabilities. Competent design of traditional cuisine. Bright accents. With the help of smart planning and design, even a non-professional can hide the shortcomings of the room and emphasize the advantages and features. For a room in a classic style, there is nothing better than the right accents. The first highlight is antique household items. They can be purchased from antique collections, flea markets, or made by hand. Such rare items can be elements of dishes, furniture. The second focus is furniture. If the surfaces are painted with white paint, then you need to add other tones. For example, snow white chairs, tables can be supported on legs of dark brown or pale green tones. If you don't want to spoil the traditional whiteness with bright, dark spots, then you can create a stop with exceptionally light shades, milky, pearl, cream, champagne and ivory colors. How to create a strict design in small and large rooms. The housing of rich people in the 17th-18th centuries, when interior classics were born, was distinguished by pomp, elegance and spaciousness. Therefore, most often, designers agree to create a classic kitchen in vast spaces with an area of at least 15 square m, and high ceilings, 2.9 to 3.5 meters. Such parameters allow you to comfortably combine the cooking area with a dining area, dining room. But, thanks to the light colors that prevail in this style subspecies, you can also transform a small room. In order for the space to breathe, not to be cluttered with furniture, certain design techniques are used. An island is installed in the center, serving as a working area. Pick up a set of different shapes. The dining area, dining room, is transferred to the living room. To create a classic style environment, it is important to apply other professional tricks. The flooring pattern should follow the contour of the room or one of its zones. The cornice, ceiling plinth, must be lower to the top of the furniture set. There is one general rule for sites of different sizes: household appliances must be hidden, otherwise it will not be possible to transfer the spirit of antiquity to the converted environment. Traditional work area and dining area with Mediterranean influences. Few people know that the Mediterranean style is closely intertwined with the classics. For a classic kitchen with elements of the Mediterranean, such design techniques are typical: the use of ceiling beams, stone, the presence of imperfect decor, and the functionality of every little thing. If everything is clear with ceiling beams and stonework, then what does imperfect decor mean? It's quite simple. There is no need to match dishes by tone. They can be replaced with many original plates and cups purchased in antique stores or at a flea market. Antiquat, imperfect antiquat, furniture may have cracks, different parts of it may differ in color. The same applies to decor. Vases, candlesticks and pots for indoor plants can also have errors in appearance. But before moving on to the decor, you need to familiarize yourself with the palette of colors that is acceptable in the Mediterranean style subspecies. Natural shades of seawater, lush grass, earth are most often used in the classic style of the Mediterranean surroundings. Depending on the country, these colors can belong to the cold range: cerise, lemon yellow, turquoise, bright blue tones or warm colors; Italy, pistachio, deep orange, terracotta or red pink. When designing a dining room and a cooking area according to the Mediterranean example, one should be guided by the key principle: a minimum of pomposity, pretentiousness and chic, a maximum of simplicity and functionality. An interior that combines classic and modern. Strict compliance with the era of classicism in the interior of a classic kitchen is banal. Designers are advised to combine traditional and modern details. Such a tandem is classified as antiquat, neoclassic antiquat, a harmonious ratio of antique details, non-standard items and color combinations. Even an ordinary home environment without a hint of style can be transformed into a neoclassical corner. Arched structures, pilasters, decorative columns are associated with the traditional details of antiquity. Ceiling stucco, you can get by with a decorative ceiling plinth. Furniture made of natural wood, or imitated wood, will fit into any environment. When transforming a site in the neoclassical style, you should not experiment too much, because in the classical style, even modernized, pretentiousness, excess and bad taste cannot be present. Symmetry, grace, a minimum of decorative additions classify antiquity, combined with modernity. Finishing materials. To design a working and dining area in a classic style, it is advisable to use natural materials or those that imitate wood, stone, and fabric as much as possible. Replacement of authentic solid wood and textiles may be present in the case of a low-cost alteration in financial terms. If the homeowner does not spare money for the arrangement, then they use the following materials: natural wood, oak, pine, larch, fir, serves as a floor covering, can be used on walls in the form of lining. Natural stone is the main material for the working surface of the kitchen area. Decorative objects, figurines, candlesticks, can also be made from it. Gypsum forms the basis of the ceiling of a classic kitchen. Stucco molding is made from it. Natural textiles, brocade, linen, cotton, jacquard, used to decorate window openings, as furniture upholstery. Noble metals also play an important role in the rework. Bronze, aged gold will look harmonious in traditional apartments, but silver and chrome details do not belong there. to make the kitchen in an ordinary city apartment or house look like a classic style setting, you need to use natural materials. Do not experiment with light. You can create the perfect design on your own only if you study design techniques in detail. It is important to remember, the true classic lies in simplicity. Like the video? Subscribe to the channel, put like, write a comment.